This is Jack. He likes to play with toys. Let's see if he'll run after this one. Jack! Jack, look! That's my shadow. Hi. Oh, he's such a nice looking boy. He's got a really nice face. He's about 2 years old, and he definitely has some hound in him, and beagles with those ears, but I have no idea where that beautiful merle face comes from. He's an active boy. He just loves to play, chase toys, jump around. He is just a joy to have. He is. Here, Jack. Jack, look. Come on. Look. Here. There you go. He likes to amuse himself. He actually is very good in the house. I gave him some squeaky toys and chew sticks, and he plays around, jumps around by himself, and lays down, holds them with his paw, makes the squeaky. There. Oh, he found his toy. He likes that one. That's his favorite. It's nice that you can get a good picture of him now to see what he looks like. He's really a nice looking boy. So I hope somebody will want to give him a home. Jack! Jack! You come? Come on. Jack! Come here. Come on. There he comes. He knows his name. Okay, thank you, Barry.